welcome to Street Americana. Today we're going to be talking about my experience with medium format cameras walking around shooting in the streets of New York City. Two camera systems, Hasselblad CM500 and the Mamiya 7. If anybody is not too familiar with medium format, this is a 6.6 negative, this is what a Hasselblad shoots. This is a 6.7 negative. When compared to a 35, it's about 3 of these. I still have the Hasselblad, but sadly I got rid of both of the Mamiya 7s. I dropped one, and it just got really expensive to repair and continue buying all the film. We'll get to that later. Challenges that I found shooting these in public was hiding with them. People see you from pretty good distance away, especially when you put the Mamiya 7 up to your face. You can't really hide with it. I'd keep that in mind if you're gonna go out shooting with a medium format camera. If your style asks for you to be a little bit more calm in your approach, if you're shooting landscapes or you're shooting portraits, I would totally recommend almost any medium format camera because the image quality is going to get you the results you're looking for. 6:7 ratio on the Mamiya 7. It's not too wide, so it doesn't feel super cinematic like a 35mm, and it's not really the portrait feeling square that a 6.6 on the Hasselblad shoots. Whenever you're moving to use a different camera system, I'd keep in mind that there's a lot of trial and error. Prices can get up there. Film costs, processing. And when I was shooting the Mamiya 7, I probably went through a couple $1,000s of film before I even felt comfortable shooting the thing and feeling like I could react to a scene as it was happening in front of me. And I skate with my cameras, as you guys might have seen in the intro, so I dropped it. It blew out the bottom housing, the plastic shattered like glass. I got it repaired at Nippon Photo Clinic here in Midtown Manhattan. It was basically brand new. After that, I just felt like the cost of another repair, plus all the film that I had invested into the camera already, was just a little much, so I had to part ways with it. But I kept my Hasselblad, 12 shots as opposed to the Mamiya's 10 shots. When you're shooting a lot of rolls, it adds up. You're limited and you're always thinking about price and money and what every shot is costing you. It kind of takes away from the creative part of it. My recommendation would be, if you've got the money, strictly. Medium format is not so straightforward in its feeling. You kind of have to work a little bit more for your compositions, but the payoff is huge. Aspect ratios aren't super cinematic. They almost seem elegant, especially the 6.7. When you compose an image on a 6.7 or a 4:5 aspect ratio, well, it really gives the viewer a sense that they're looking at a photograph that was created and not a scene that was captured. It's easy for me to fall in love with every camera. I find the positive things in it and I make them work to my advantage, and the things that don't work, I just don't pay attention to. I was really only able to shoot my Mamiya so much because of all of the stimulus money that was coming in. The stimmies gave me this freedom. Like the shackles had come off. Like you could actually do whatever you wanted. It's like a sense of freedom. Because of that freedom, I felt like my work was actually improving. My life felt better. And I have a feeling that the government kind of knew that too, which is why that shit will never happen again. Here are some of the images that I took during my time with both of these camera systems.